Hi, tick, 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 ticks. So the black ones are the partridges, the yellow ones are the buffs, and the light gray ones are the blues. And then all these little brown ones are males we're gonna have to get rid of. Tick, 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 tick. Pick one of them up and show you. Oh my gosh, look at the cutest little birdie except Maxie Bird. Hi, sweetie. Look at your little wings. That's a partridge. Come here, little buff. Ooh. Here's a little buff. She's like, hey, I was eating that. Come here, little blue. And here's a blue. There you go. Oh, little chicken.